natural for the flow to be water like Bruce Lee. My career didn't choose me. I don't know if I'll make it rapping, but somehow I gotta make it happen. I know the game's crowded, I can't stand the traffic. I ain't going backwards, yeah. I've been focused on my passion. A lot of kids are focused on distractions. They're not going deep enough with questions that they asking, like, do you really love her? Or do you care more about death and taxes? What good is money when you're in your casket? Yeah, I took what's on my chest and put it in a song. Buried this weight on the track where it belongs, and I hope it stays asleep, but the night is still young.